Welcome to one more video of Bank Nifty daily analysis. So this is what the market headed towards. So nothing major. So what we can do is we can keep it the same way it is. What another would be that we remove this and we will draw a box here. So this becomes the resistance. So almost 800, 900, 47,800 becomes the resistance, and 250, 200 it becomes the support. This is where it is. Dow futures is 106, so hopefully market should cap up on Monday. And that's it. This two dotted line doesn't make sense, so we'll remove this. Anything more? No, I think we are good for today then. Have a nice weekend. Happy trading tomorrow.